You know say as a developer, you fit build an application and share with computer or phone wey dey around your premises without the internet and data. E shock you? Okay, make we break am down. What is dis internet? Wetin be dis internet? Internet na network, na connection between one computer to another computer. So with the help of internet, your computer or your phone wey be computer also fit connect with a computer wey dey for US wey carry Facebook application. Application na document wey one computer fit pass through signal to another computer. But the difference between application and normal document na because application na set of documents wey dey backed up with programming languages wey fit help you perform tasks for that document. So now, the network wey we don talk about now, wey we dey talk about wey you fit carry share connect your computer to the one wey dey obodoyibo, na internet connection. We also get another connection wey you sabi o. One of them na Bluetooth connection. So with Bluetooth connection, you can also connect one device, one computer to another computer, or one phone to another computer, or one phone to another phone. Then another connection again wey we fit use for free na Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi get more proximity, e dey go far pass Bluetooth. But with this connection also, you fit connect one computer to another computer. So now, how a programmer fit use now build application wey people around im premises fit use without data and internet be say im go create the application. After im don create the application, which we don already know the definition of application. After im don create am, im go allow other network or other computer wey dey for im compound, wey dey for im premises to connect with im own computer. Then when they don connect with im own computer, dem fit share data information between the network. So therefore, now they no need data, they no need internet. So far dem dey connected to that wireless connection, they can tap into that application and also enjoy the way we dey enjoy Facebook and WhatsApp too. So now, when one computer or one device wey dey for that network just make mistake connect to internet network, you go see say all the device too go fit now connect to that the same internet wey one computer don connect. Na make we sometimes we fit carry our phone share hotspot with another phone or computer. Na Wi-Fi dey cause that one. So there is a connection. Then another connection wey I go finally talk about na LAN, wire connection. With LAN, you fit connect one computer to another computer. You go plug the cable for this computer, plug am for the other computer. Once you don do so, both computer fit communicate. And how application and application dey communicate na they dey call am HTTP protocol. HTTP